Welcome to Daily CoinCu Crypto News. Here are today's headlines. Binance canceled the FTX acquisition agreement. Crypto payments firm Ramp Network raises $70 million. Temasek is tracking its investment in FTX. Elon Musk has sold $4 billion in Tesla stock after Twitter's acquisition. Meta cuts off 13% of the company's total workforce. Now let's dive to the details. Binance canceled the FTX acquisition agreement. Due to a liquidity crisis brought on by the demise of its native exchange token FTT, FTX agreed yesterday to sell its non-US assets to the competing exchange. However, subsequent reports have questioned the likelihood, citing unbridgeable financial gaps in FTX's accounts as the reason. After the due diligence process, plus the information that FTX misused customer funds and was investigated by the US, Binance decided to withdraw its offer to buy FTX. Soon after, Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao also spoke up and said he had tried his best, expressing his sadness. Crypto payments firm Ramp Network raises $70 million. Ramp intends to use the funding to fill several senior positions. As part of a global expansion, the funding will also be used to add regional fiat currencies and payment options. The main offering of Ramp is its software development kit, which enables customers to purchase cryptocurrency via debit and credit cards, bank transfers, Apple Pay, and other on- and off-ramp payment methods. Its rival Wire was the target of a botched acquisition attempt by fintech company Bolt, which pulled out of the $1.5 billion transaction in September. Temasek is tracking its investment in FTX. Temasek took part in FTX's $420 million B1 financing round in October 2021 and its $1 billion Series B funding round. It also participated in FTX's $400 million Series C round, which raised funds in January 2022 and valued the exchange at $32 billion. The chaos after the collapse of FTX, the cryptocurrency exchange that was just acquired by Binance, is still happening. The companies Tether and Crypto.com have denied exposure to FTX and Alameda. Elon Musk has sold $4 billion in Tesla stock after Twitter's acquisition. On August 9, Musk used Twitter, which he now controls thanks to a $44 billion acquisition, to inform his followers and admirers that he will stop selling business shares to fund his goal to acquire the social media network. In 2021, the tech billionaire sold $22 billion in Tesla shares, while this year, in April and August, the new Twitter CEO liquidated shares worth $8 billion and $7 billion, respectively. Meanwhile, according to his petition with the U.S. According to the Securities and Exchange Commission, Elon Musk reportedly sold another 19.5 million Tesla shares for $3.95 billion on Tuesday. Meta cuts off 13% of the company's total workforce. Mark Zuckerberg, CEO of Meta Platforms, said that the firm would eliminate more than 11,000 workers in the first significant wave of layoffs in the history of the social media behemoth. Just a few weeks ago, the company released a harsh financial report that revealed a $9.4 billion annual deficit for its metaverse sector. The layoffs are part of an effort to reduce losses. Zuckerberg also announced that the social media business would reduce expenditures and prolong its hiring freeze into the following year in a letter to staff members. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to the CoinCu channel to stay up to date on the latest news.